So again, what we're trying to do is figure out the equation of the graph. Okay, so again, notice that it's going downward right here, so this gives you a hint, because if you read it from left to right, it goes down, you know that your slope is going to be a negative slope. Okay, so let's get started again. You always want to write the formula down here. Y is equal to mx plus b. And just keep in mind that you have to remember that the b is your y-intercept. Notice I'm always labeling it. M is your slope. That's how you're moving. And remember that slope is delta y over delta x. Okay? So you want to start off with finding out your beginning. Where is this starting from? Again, you find that by seeing where does this graph right here hit that y-axis, this y-axis right there, and notice that it hits it right here on the B. Okay, so you know that that's true, so what we're going to do is mark it right there. There's my y-intercept, and it looks like it's at 1. So I'm going to put B is equal to 1. Okay, now to find the slope. To find the slope, all you need to do is have 2 points. What I'll do is I will go ahead and pick this point here and this point right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, okay, is that I will create the slope triangle. Again, you will need to travel from one side to the other. So notice that I'm right here. Again, I go from left to right, so I have to start here and end over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is see how I'm changing. So I go down a certain amount of units, then I go to the right a certain amount of units. Now right here, since I went down, that's a negative because I'm going down. Then I have to count how many times I went down here. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll put negative 8. That's my delta y. Okay, now for delta x. Okay, I go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And since I went to the right, that's a positive 4. And this is my delta x. Okay, so then what I do is I fill it in here. So my m, okay, my delta y is here. So I'll put negative 8. And my delta x is over here. I'll put that over 4. Okay, so then I write my formula. Y, or my equation, y equals negative 8 over 4x plus 1. And again, you could leave it like this if you like, okay, or you could simplify it. Now some of you might know that 4 goes into 8 evenly twice, so you could simplify it to negative 2x plus 1. Okay, so you could also do that as well. Okay, also if you wanted to, you could also use this point and this point to make a slope triangle. So you could have also used this one, so I'll put it in green. You could also do this as well. Okay, go like this. Okay, or you could have used this one here. All right, so it's just up to you what you see. You just need 2 points though to find the slope.